All right, time for some Monday birthdays today. We're going to start in Sheldon with Tom Hancock celebrating his first birthday, and this comes with love from Ninny. Happy birthday, Tom.
And we got a belated birthday wish going out to Baylor Steps. That's a really pretty spelling for Baylor. She is now 9 years old.
And we've got Jace Marbury celebrating birthday number 9 in Fort Scott. This comes with love from Mom, Dad, Big Brother Weston, and Ty.
And Kylan Allen is celebrating another year older in Carl Junction. Happy birthday, Kylan.
And we've got Joshua Westhoff Scheidler celebrating birthday number 11 in Parsons with love from Gig and Charlie.
I'll give you a thumbs up for that, too. All right, happy birthday. And happy birthday going out to Gannon Carson, who's now 11 years old in Girard. Happy birthday, Gannon.
We've got Quentin Irsick in Fort Scott celebrating birthday number 11. Happy birthday, Quentin.
In Chanute, Tanner Bolt celebrating birthday number 13 this year.
And over in Columbus, Aubrey Nelson celebrating birthday number 14. Happy birthday, Aubrey.
And also in Columbus, Abby Nelson is celebrating a birthday. It's a great one, Abby.
And we've got Lena Forkner in Chetopa celebrating another year wiser. Lena, happy birthday.
James Hutto in Columbus, happy birthday to you.
We've also got Rick Gamble sending out some belated birthday wishes to Rick in Uniontown as he celebrates number 68.
And in Pittsburgh, Judy Meister celebrating the big 7-0 this year. Happy birthday, Judy.
And back down in Columbus, we've got Marcella Carter celebrating birthday number 85. Certainly hope it's a great one, Marcella.
It's a great picture there of her, too. And our very own Rye Addis, the KOAM General Sales Manager, celebrating a birthday today.
And that also means that our very own Digital Content Manager, Stacy Strader, is celebrating a birthday today as well. Happy birthday, Stacy.
Happy birthday, cuz. All right, our list goes on. We've got Holly Patterson. Happy birthday to you. And Teresa Hallam is turning 52. Birthday love coming from your husband, kids, and the 16 grandkids. You're the best, and we love you.
All right, this was a fantastic birthday list, so we appreciate your help. And to continue helping us make it a great one, Tanya's going to tell you how.
That's right. You can send them to either of our 2 emails there. Just don't forget the S on both of them. They're birthdays at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And while you're checking out our website, because you know it's got a lot of neat things to check out, why don't you check out the Birthday Club? You can sign up for that. You get great deals from local businesses. Additionally, you get a nice birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just go over to KOAMNewsNow.com. Sign up for that Birthday Club to